Okay, this is N2LEN for another quick video clip. It's Monday evening, March 3rd at 11 p.m. and we just finished the wiring for the Anan G2. Okay, this is the large size version of the stereo jack. Instead of it being a 3.5 millimeter, it's a 6.3 millimeter stereo phono jack. Same thing, it has a tip. Okay, let me go in here and I'll show you. Just like the small one, you have a tip, a ring, and a sleeve. Tip, ring, sleeve. The ring is always in between the two spade insulators. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, there we go. So tip, ring, and sleeve. Now on the XLR, and we're talking, this is the XLR for the Heil PR-40, let's just say. It's a 3-pin XLR. Okay, and the way that this mic is wired, this is just a microphone cable. Pin 1 was shield, pin 2 was the red wire, and pin 3 was white. Okay, now on a PR-40, pin 1 is ground, pin 2 is mic positive, and pin 3 on the bottom is mic negative. Okay? So basically, what we did was we copied the color codes. We brought the shield right there to the sleeve. It's soldered. The red wire, which was pin 2 on the PR-40, that's the plus wire. So that mic positive goes to the tip. So the red wire is soldered right to the tip. Pin 3 on the XLR, pin 3, which is the white wire, pin 3 on the PR-40 is mic negative. That goes to the ring. So white goes to the ring. The tip is always the smaller of the two. So you know that the tip is always the smallest spade terminal than the ring terminal. So for the PR-40, just so you know, pin 1 on the XLR goes to the shield, which is ground. Pin 2 on the XLR is the mic positive, that goes to the tip. And pin 3 on the XLR goes to the ring, mic negative. Okay, and it says a connection for a balanced microphone input is available. This will only work with balanced microphones designed for this kind of input. So this will plug into the top corner of the Anan. So let's open this up. Now you could plug it in 2 different spots. Okay, so let me just open this up so you can see it. Give me 1 second here. So here is the back panel of the Anan. Right here is the mic jack where you're going to plug it in. It's labeled XLR, okay, which is the regular TRS phono jack. You could also plug it into here. CW key, headphones, mic. But then if that's the case, you're going to need to solder on a 3.5. Actually, I'm sorry. Hold on one second. Hold on. Here we go. Am I right? Push to talk. Right here. 3.45 stereo socket. Wiring is described for the front panel connection. Okay. So that's it. That's how you wire the TRS mic, 3-pin XLR for the Heil PR-40, I believe the RE20. As long as it's a balanced mic, and you could, if you don't know what a balanced mic is, it has to do with the way that the diaphragm of the mic and not being grounded. You could read up on that, but basically that's it. Let me spin it around so you could see. There you go. This is N2LEN saying best 7.3s.